Alright, welcome everyone back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. We're over at Hertz Orlando Airport on the A side. And we'll just do a quick walkthrough. Again, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, click that subscribe button. And if you want to see more of these videos, click that like button. Start things off here with a Mercedes AMG. And this is a CLA 45. I'm guessing this is Ultimate Selection, and Hertz actually still has one of these Z06 C7 Corvette convertibles. I rented one of these, I think it was back in 2019, maybe even earlier than that. It's great to see that they still have one around, or maybe they bought it back. 650 horsepower supercharged. And I think at the time I priced out the MSRP. It's got the competition racing seats and everything. I think I priced out the MSRP and it was over 100,000. Maybe it was 110, 120,000 at the time. Yeah, great to see one of these back in service here. Okay, let's take a walk over to this looks like more of the Ultimate Series on the left here. We'll get to that in a second. These are reserved, so we got 3 Tesla Model 3s. Wow, this is looking pretty empty. Let's see that in a second here. All right, 3 Tesla Model 3s. I thought National was kind of light earlier in the week. Okay, so President Circle, we are looking at a lot of empty spaces. We got a Camry, Altima down there. We got a Dodge Ram pickup truck. Looks like one of these Kia K5s. Sorry, a Hyundai Sonata. Another Altima. Looks like another Altima out of service. This is all President Circle. Yeah, not long ago for President Circle today. Ford Fiesta in President Circle. There you go. And an older. Wow, that's an older Altima. This is another classic. How many? It doesn't say the year. 18. 2018. How many miles are on this thing? It comes up here. Yeah, I don't think it's going to come up for us. Anyway, 2018. There you go. First. 5-star is completely empty. Again, this is a weekday on the A side, Orlando Airport. 5-star is it? Man, the air just cleaned out. Gold is completely empty. They do have cars in reserve, so if you show up with a reservation, they're probably just pulling stuff out of reserve, but yeah, it kind of defeats the purpose of having choose your own car here. Why don't we just do a quick walk through 2 sides of reserve while we're over here. We got a 5-liter Mustang here. Yeah, there's lots of cars in reserve. They're just not doing a good job of putting anything in the aisles here. Got an Infiniti, a Yukon Denali, Dodge Caravan. Got a Yukon QX60. Oh, somebody was asking about the QX60's, the mileage. Why don't we just quickly check here? And, well, it's a little better. 25,000 on this one. Here's another one. I'll just do a quick check here. Again, if you guys have any questions, just post in the comments and I'll do my best to... Yeah, this one's got about 51,000 miles on it. Yeah, just feel free to put any questions in the comments, and if there's... anything I can kind of check out for you, I'll certainly do what I can. We got a Pacifica Limited, we got a GMC Acadia all-wheel drive, another QX60. Why don't we just check one more here? They've got a bunch of them. See if we can get anything a little bit lower mileage. 39s. Yeah, so these are all over the place in terms of mileage. We've got an Armada, another Caravan, another QX60, Jeep Wrangler, GMC Acadia, Nissan Frontier. We got a BMW 430i, Chevy Impala V6 Premier, Nissan Kicks SV, Chevy Colorado V6, 230i BMW. I don't see these too often. We got a Toyota Corolla XSE hatchback. Looks like a hatchback. Is the mileage going to come up? Window open. Okay. 4,000 miles. Show you guys the front of this. That's a little bit different. Maybe that's a dealer car. We got a Ford Explorer here. Again, these are all reserve. just because the aisles are empty. And then there's that 5-liter Mustang we saw a little bit earlier. And we got a Rogue, regular Rogue SV, Silverado, LT, Mustang GT convertible, Q50, Kennedy, we got a Honda CR-V, and we got a Buick Encore, Ford Escape, we got another Dodge, and a couple more small SUVs, and then we got this Explorer, and I can't pass up this Camaro SS. Let's see what the mileage is. These all have 30, 40, 50,000 miles on them. What's this one got? 54,500. And down here we got a bunch of large SUVs and a bunch more pickup trucks. And I think there's one more aisle I can show you over at Hertz. Again, this is all reserved. I'll pick it up over there. Okay, and Hertz Orlando has 2 happy birthday slots, which are kind of interesting. I think we saw those over at Phoenix. So we got a Chevy Suburban in one of the birthday slots. And we got a Lexus IS 300, Audi Q5, Infiniti QX50, a BMW 230i convertible, Range Rover Sport, 330i BMW, got a Ford Expedition Limited, we got a Honda Pilot, and 2 more 230i BMW convertibles, both the same color. And we got a BMW X1, Mitsubishi Outlander, another BMW X1. This looks like a 530i BMW. This is one of my favorites, these Hendricks Camaros. And what do we got beside the next one here? I'm just gonna check the mileage on these. These are a little bit lower. They're 20, I think most of it's locked. Most of these have around 30,000 miles on them. We got another Chevy SS Camaro convertible here. Just do a quick pop inside. Over here, if it's not locked. Okay, this one's open. And we got, oh, I just missed the remote. 44,000 miles. Be nice to finally see some of those in. We got a Cadillac 350T SUV XT4 and a Genesis G70, and looks like another Buick Enclave. I think that's going to wrap it up for Hertz on the A side. Thanks everyone for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, and if you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and hit that like button. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.